My review of the Comfast 150 megabits 802.11n wireless N mini Wi-Fi USB adapter. That's this guy right here. It's a very simple adapter. You plug it into your USB port and away you go. That's simple. Well, it's actually that simple for me. I have a Windows 10 tablet and I plugged it in, and I'm all the way across the house from my router, and I did a speed test to see if this would improve my speed out on the internet. And so I just used my built-in Wi-Fi adapter in my tablet, and I got about 2 megabits of speed. Not very good. Like I say, I was quite far away from the router, so I wanted to see what I would get out of it. And then this guy, I plugged it in, and Windows 10 on this tablet, it's an iRulu tablet. It recognized it, set up the driver, everything was fine. I turned off the built-in Wi-Fi, and I connected to my router across the house, and I was getting about 5 megabits of speed. So this guy over doubled my speed from that distance, which was pretty cool. So when I plugged it in, I noticed that it does flex. And you'll see here, you got a couple of different ways you can rotate this. You can go like that. So if you're like on mine tablet, when I plugged this in, it was actually aiming down, so I was able to just take it and flip it up. It's basically an all-in-one unit. There's no cables, no nothing. This is it. Super, super light. It does come with a disc. I didn't have to use that. There are instructions. Didn't need to do that. I just plugged it in. So very simple to use. And that's my review of the Comfast wireless N USB adapter. Thanks for watching.